राष्ट्रीय महामार्ग 66 म्हापशा पेडे हांगसरल्या जंक्शनार अंडरपास कामाच्या शुभारंभा पयलीं नियोजनाची बसका हळदोणेचो आमदार ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस हांच्या फुडारपणाखाला जाली। बेगीनूच सुरू जावपी अंडरपासाच्या कामाक लागून येरादारी वेवस्था येवजणेचो आढावो घेवपा खातीर ही बसका आशिल्ली। ह्या बसकेक राष्ट्रीय महामार्गाचे सहाय्यक अभियंती नेहा प्रभुदेसाय, येरादारी निरीक्षक मालन डिसूजा, कनिष्ठ अभियंता स्वप्नील तशेंच थळावे हजर आशिल्ले। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
See, we are having a vehicular underpass which is being done in Peddem Junction because Peddem Junction has been a major source of controversy. A lot of traffic is coming. There are a lot of service lanes and a lot of crossings happening there. Multi-junction, I would use this word. And people from Mapsa and this side, from Kalangut and all this side, the Sioli and all, they come and they cross over to go to Peddem Stadium. Then we have our people who stay in Peddem on the other side, Kamarkazan, Akoi, and even people coming from TV who are crossing over to go to Mapsa. And it's becoming very difficult for people to go down to Bastora under the flyover. There's such a big queue, and then climbing that slope of the Milagris Church after the Mangla Church. And then it's like a headache. What about children going to school, people going to market? You may never reach in time. Ambulance will never reach. So it was one of my requests, the request made to me when I was campaigning for elections that we want this, and this was not given to us by our previous MLA, not even assurance, and he said it can't be done. So they asked me, the people of Kamarkazan Akoi on the other side. So I said I will pursue it, I will take it up. And I have to say that I was successful persuading the government of Goa and the Ministry of Road Transport, and Nitin Gadkari came to Goa and said he will put this, he will give us this, and he has kept up to the word, and the work was tendered and the work order has been issued. So yesterday what we did was we had a meeting with officials, because now when the work starts, when the vehicular underpass starts, there has to be alternate routes for diversions, and there will be a little traffic jam which will happen. It is some inconvenience has to be accepted for the greater good, because at the end when this vehicular underpass comes, underpass means like a tunnel below, you understanding? So it will, the vehicles from left to right will go over under that, and the highway will move on top. So we can't put a highway below because there are height problems and all that. So the highway will move on top while this will go below. And so I managed to get this, and we were talking about the things. I called also inputs from people. There are many people also who want to give suggestions, and I'm happy about it. And but we will make sure that things move smoothly. I've also told them to broaden these service lanes.
This will be underpass then?
This underpass.
And how long it will take?
I think it's about a year.
When the work will start?
And all that. Now immediately we're just waiting to lay the foundation stone.